Do you feel worn out and exhausted? Do you experience sleep issues or joint pain? If so, you may not be getting enough vitamin D. This issue is surprisingly frequent, particularly in the winter when there is less sunlight. A substance called vitamin D is crucial for maintaining human health. In addition to being crucial for calcium absorption, it also supports the immune system. You can include vitamin D in your daily life in a few different ways. Consuming meals high in vitamin D is one method. Fish, eggs, and dairy products are some excellent sources of vitamin D. To enhance your vitamin D consumption, you can also take other supplements. Increasing your exposure to sunlight is another strategy to increase your vitamin D levels. Winter weather might make this challenging, but there are a few workarounds. Spending as much time as you can outside in the sunlight is one method. Utilizing a UV tanning bed or lamp is another option. Simply put, a vitamin D shortage occurs when your body does not have enough of the vitamin. This may result in health issues like brittle bones and an increased risk of infections. Lack of vitamin D is a typical problem, particularly during the winter when sunlight is scarcer. If you've gotten this far, please subscribe to be part of the journey to a more quality life. You may be vitamin D deficient if you exhibit a number of various symptoms that we will be reviewing today. These consist of 1. Exhaustion and fatigue. You might experience weariness if your vitamin D levels are low. This is because calcium absorption depends on vitamin D, and your body may not be able to adequately absorb calcium if you are deficient in vitamin D. Numerous issues such as weariness and overall sense of sluggishness may result from this. It can be worthwhile to have your vitamin D levels evaluated if you discover that you are constantly exhausted, even after a full night's sleep. Number 2. Joint pain. Bone health also depends on vitamin D. Your bones may become fragile and brittle if you don't get enough vitamin D. Your joints' bones may rub against one another as a result, which can cause joint pain. Checking your vitamin D levels is important if you experience joint pain. This is particularly valid if the discomfort is stronger in the morning or following periods of inactivity. Number 3. Weak muscles. Muscle wasting can also result from a vitamin D deficit. This is due to the fact that vitamin D is necessary for healthy muscular function. Your muscles might not be able to function effectively if you don't get enough vitamin D, which could cause weakness and exhaustion. This is especially true if joint pain or weariness are present along with the muscle weakening. Number 4. Bone ache. Additionally, a vitamin D shortage might cause bone pain. This is because vitamin D is necessary for healthy bones. Number 5. Trouble sleeping. Sleeping issues might also result from a vitamin D deficit. This is so because vitamin D plays a crucial role in sleep regulation. If you don't get enough vitamin D, it could be hard for you to get to sleep or to even stay asleep. Number 6. Depression. Depression has also been connected to vitamin D insufficiency. This is due to the fact that vitamin D is necessary for the healthy operation of the brain. Your mood may deteriorate and your level of anxiety may rise if you don't get enough vitamin D. Number 7. Weight gain. Been connected to vitamin D insufficiency. This is because vitamin D is necessary for the metabolism to operate properly. Your body might not be able to digest fat effectively if you don't get enough vitamin D, which could result in weight gain. Number 8. Hair fall. Hair loss has also been connected to vitamin D insufficiency. This is because enough vitamin D levels are necessary for healthy hair. Brittle and bald if you don't get enough vitamin D. Number 9. Bones that are easily broken or frayed. This is because vitamin D is necessary for healthy bones. Your bones may weaken and fragile without adequate vitamin D, leaving them more prone to breaks and fractures. Last but not least, number 10. Lack of energy. It may indicate a vitamin D deficit if you experience persistent fatigue and poor energy levels. This is due to the fact that, as mentioned before, vitamin D is necessary for healthy metabolism. Your body could be unable to properly metabolize meals if you don't get enough vitamin D, which could result in low energy. There are some demographics that are more susceptible to vitamin D insufficiency than others. These consist of people who reside in northern latitudes. When skin is exposed to sunshine, vitamin D is created in the skin. Senior citizens is another one. Our bodies grow less effective as we age in converting vitamin D into its active form. Individuals with dark skin. The pigment melanin gives skin its color. Additionally, it reduces the skin's capacity to synthesize vitamin D in response to exposure to sunshine. Obese individuals. Vitamin D is stored in adipose tissue and released into the bloodstream as necessary. Your body may not be able to access stored vitamin D as effectively if you are obese. Individuals with stomach difficulties. The digestion of some foods and the absorption of vitamin D can both be hampered. People who don't consume enough meals high in vitamin D. Only a select few foods contain vitamin D, such as fatty fish, eggs, fortified dairy, and grains. It's crucial to be aware of the symptoms and indicators of vitamin D insufficiency because it can be a significant issue. Consult your doctor about a blood test if you believe you may be at risk. You may maintain good vitamin D levels and avert the severe health issues linked to a deficit with the right care. Along with other vitamins like vitamin A and calcium, you might want to think about taking a vitamin D supplement. This is due to the fact that these vitamins cooperate to support bone health. It is crucial to discuss these symptoms mentioned earlier with your doctor if you are feeling any of them. You only live once, so make sure if any of these symptoms are present within your life, urgently check your vitamin levels. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on how to fix your vitamin deficiencies.